I know everybody I go like we, still we irate. Come in no love likes.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great today. Today is, by the title, is a mini vlog. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Now, today is just a basic day of me picking my daughter up from school, preparing lunch, and then getting them ready for bed. Preparing dinner, and then getting ready for bed. Now, my oldest daughter, she requested spaghetti and meatballs. I made that last week and she really liked it, so she asked me to make again. So I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna take you when I go to pick her up from school, and also to her Muay Thai class and whatnot. So stay tuned and let's get right into this vlog, guys. So yeah, her Muay Thai teacher called me not too long ago, and she postponed the class for Saturday. Today we're Thursday, so she rescheduled the class for Thursday afternoon. So you're not going to Muay Thai today, you're going on Saturday. Okay, so Saturday we're gonna go. So right now we're just gonna go and get all the ingredients I need to make my meatballs, because I make them from scratch. So I gotta go get the meat and all that good stuff. So I'll see ya when we get to the grocery store. So came to get my meat. I don't eat chicken anymore. I only eat beef and fish. Now all these packages are the same, guys, right? So they have different prices. So me, what I do is I look and I dig for the cheapest one. So far I got this one, $5.88, and now I want one more, so $6.24. $6.90 is up behind there. $6.21. So I'm gonna go with this because this is the cheapest one there. $6.21. Oh no! Look, I found one. Hey, $5.71. Why can't I just be great? Like, I just had to drop it. Oh, we gotta get the meat sauce.
Y le echas un poquito.
Marble, no, extra old. This right here. Yes. So walking back to the house now. So I need a camera, guys. Like, I'm vlogging with my iPhone 7. I know the iPhone 7, I know I'm late, but I'll see you when I get home, guys. So I'm back home and I'm about to prep all the stuff to make my meatballs. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going to season with. So I'm about to mix it up, and I'll see you after. I'll show you after when it's all mixed up and stuff.
stories, I'm a fool for your love.